Hello, welcome back to the Westchester Real Estate Network. I'm your host, Craig Meyerson, here with my friend Susan Reische. Welcome back, Susan.
Hello, I enjoyed being here with you.
It's been
a
fun.
really great series.
Yeah, we're getting you out of the office and into another office.
Fantastic, yeah.
So last time we spoke, we talked about a product that Raveis has, and this one is called Raveis Purchase. And I can honestly sit here and say, I can guarantee you, if you're selling your house, I can guarantee you a customer to buy your home.
Yes.
Can I do that?
You can do that.
Can you explain why?
Sure. We have a program called Raveis Purchase, and we can bring a buyer to the table. It's the Raveis Purchase program. So this would be a fantastic program for somebody who needs to make a non-contingent offer on their next home. Because as you know, as we've been saying, this is a very strong seller's market right there. So if you're a buyer and want to make yourself very competitive in this market, you have to lower the number of contingencies you attach to your offer. So if you can just say, I've got a buyer for my house, I do not need to sell in order to buy, I've got somebody right here, it makes you a stronger buyer.
So when you say contingencies, I know what a contingency is, but some people at home might not know what a contingency is. So a contingency basically is a stipulation where you're putting some kind of a little asterisk next to your offer. And now, sellers, they're going with no contingency deals, cash deals. They're going, so I guess what Susan's saying is in this program with Raveis Purchase, this removes one of the biggest contingencies that people place when they put in an offer, right?
And correct. And also, this puts the seller in the driver's seat when it comes to the timing of the sale. You know, if the seller gets into contract with Raveis Purchase to sell their home, they can dictate when the closing happens. So they can stay in their house for as long as they need to before they're making that next move. And that is a really great benefit to people because you just want to try and eliminate issues with traditional buyers and their moving issues. It becomes a domino effect after a while. You just want to be able to at least have some kind of certainty as to when you're closing.
And the big difference between Raveis Refresh and the other
iBuying programs.
Yeah,
there are a few of them out there in the market.
Yeah.
Not many, but there are a few.
But the big difference is that the consumer or the seller gets the upside on the resale of the home after Raveis buys it.
Correct, yes, that's right. And again, that's a huge benefit for a seller because we will do our absolute best to sell the market for top dollar, possibly bringing in Raveis Refresh to refresh the house after William Raveis purchases the house. And if, again, the seller will get top dollar for their house if we can get that upside.
And if you think that we're kidding, Raveis has a ton of programs out here.
A lot of programs.
I have to get a PhD in all the programs that we're offering here. So give me a call at the bottom of the screen. If you're looking to buy, sell, rent a house, condo, co-op, that's what we do. There's a lot of people out there, but hopefully the information that we provided has given you some sense of who William Raveis is. And we look forward to speaking with you. And we look forward to having you come back. Will you come back again?
I will absolutely.
It wasn't that bad, right?
It wasn't that bad. No, it was a lot of fun. And thank you for being part of the William Raveis family.
Well, thank you for having me. And just so you know, I am not a professional actor. Take care.